Do you know where we're at?
Yeah.
Where is this?
This is
What town are we in?
This is the Embassy Suites in where, Sadie?
Atlanta.
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 Shakti.
Where are we at? So,
Shakti.
yeah. Okay.
Hello, guys.
Look, you got a nice couch and.
Where have we been?
Shakti.
Where have we been
Sid?
at?
Shakti.
Where have we been?
Shakti.
Where have we been?
We've been at the Braves game.
Yeah.
Alright, show
Look,
me the.
nice big TV.
Can you turn on the?
There's a little.
Let me give the tour of the room.
Look, we got this. Whoa. And our matchup team.
Sadie, you're falling behind on your tilt.
Oh, nice. Coffee.
She's too much
And
for remotes.
a remote.
A toilet.
Oh, hang on.
bedroom.
We got the closets in here.
The best part.
Let's see the bathroom. Oh.
Look behind you.
Hey.
Hello.
Mama says good lighting in here.
Look behind
Yeah, the tub
the tub
and toilet.
and toilet.
And then I
Next,
got,
the best part is the view.
hang on, there's the beds.
They're doing something down there.
2 double beds, big TV.
Take off my shoes.
And there's Sadie with holding that remote again. And then, boom,
College football hall.
there's
That's-
College Football Hall of Fame right there.
They had a mobile
There's
stage right there
CNN.
where they had the.
What's the Ferris wheel?
It's where the. Wasn't that where the flame was for the Olympics?
Yeah, that's the Centennial Park, Olympic Park.
That's where the Olympics stuff was.
Let's see, there's the Olympic flag right there.
out this?
Pull it. It's on reels.
And
And
all of downtown Atlanta.
you know where we're gonna get to go tomorrow?
Where are we going, Tillman?
We're gonna get to go to the Atlanta Aquarium. Yeah, and we're gonna do a video about it tomorrow.
Yep. All right.
I'm Tillman Bradshaw, and I'm excited for next time.
Oh.
Cut the mic.
Oh.
Subscribe to our channel.